Okay, so now we got it assembled and it's looking good. You got the little computer there. You have scan time, speed, distance, ODO. I don't know what that is. One button adjustments, and you got an indicator mark, time, speed. So you can either turn it on with the button or when it receives a signal from the sensor. So two AAA batteries in there. The sensor comes from the bike, plugs into there. You have the triathlete style handlebars, which gives you several comfortable positions. You have the cushioned seat with some springs and cushions on the bottom. You have the hole here for comfort and fully adjustable with the wrenches provided. You have adjustability here from front to back. And then you tighten it up there. You have height adjustment of the seat back here. And you have, which is hard to see here because of the lighting, but you have markers there that tell you what position you're in. You have the tension wheel here, which has an emergency stop. If you really need to stop the wheel, you press on that and you're good to go. Had not seen that on other bikes. And it's a real smooth action. You really have a nice transition from firm to softer. You have the neck adjustment here. Again, it would have markers. So here you would see markers. It's very faint, but they're there. You can see it with the eye. It's hard to see with the camera. Then you have your pedals with your little cages that could fit most any shoe. So any sneaker, any shoe is good there. Why do you want cages? Because you want to perform circles when you're riding. So not only are you pushing down on the pedal, but you want to be kind of lifting up, pushing down. You want to keep even in the circles for cycling. But that's a cycling lesson. That's not about this bicycle. So this has got a belt drive. It's got a nice heavy wheel. And first impressions is that it feels like a high quality home exercise bike. Pretty much all you need. Easily transported around with these front wheels. You just put your foot here, tip the bike over, and you could maneuver it around like a hand truck. And that's the way it goes. It's got a nice little water bottle fitting. It has attachment up here to put a book, a tablet, cell phone. Has a little pamphlet tablet here. If you need a more substantial tablet, you bend this out the way and you could put a bigger book or tablet or cell phone. And so I will be storing this inside the house right by the door to the deck. And on nice days, unlike it's getting cloudy now, I could just easily move this outside and get my workout outside in the fresh air. Now, I got my little bamboo forest here, and I had some deer rustling in there just before. So, working out with deer in nature, what more can you ask for? So, the belt drive gives you a nice, smooth drive. The handlebars give you these position, like the triathlete position. I call this neutral position, and this is like conventional bike position. And the little, if you don't mind this, you could get a little closer. Sometimes it's good to change the position. You go with your hands back here, hands like this. Plenty of positions to be comfortable while you're riding. As I was saying, the cages are good, nice and wide. because you want to complete circles. You want to push down but yet lift up. So your leg is just not working on the down portion. You're driving circles, cycling circles. That's where you get the best workout. So this is great for cardio, toning the legs, getting warmed up, cooling down for your workout. And what more do you need? I could probably adjust it to fit me a little bit better. Probably the handlebars need to come up a little bit higher for me. But I just put this thing together, my installation video, my assembly video. And this is a good quality product. I like it. It's a great deal. Looks good, all in black. If you really wanted to remove the stickers and get a sleek all black look, that's an option. And there it is. It's a great exercise bike for all levels. Very easy.